monitoring all the base stations, and we're trying to detect the activity of this particular phone and the particular app that is run on this phone. So we're trying to find like different patterns for different applications that are run, like video streaming or audio streaming. Here we can see like the peaks. This is the instantaneous data rate for the single user. These peaks are burst traffic, probably due to burst traffic application, and we can, with further analysis, we want to understand which application is this.
You mean not devices? You mean not specific phone? Yeah. Is that what it means?
So my poster summarizes my work in the last 6 months. So I can answer this.
And now we are considering, so there are many access points with low cost memories, low cost base stations with low cost memories, which are prone to failures, which is a very common thing. And
the time is a slot, and the channel remains constant within the time slot, and at the beginning of each time slot the mobile device has to decide if I'm going to process a specific number of packets that I'm going to, the mobile device will choose how many packets to execute and where.
Because if in this case, if the packet arrives to the base station,
to make this queue behavior.
and we try to make the system self-sustaining.
Hello. Here we have Michele, ready for dinner.
And tired.
I'm very tired.
I need wine. Paulo. Everybody. Support. Speech. With wine, man. Yeah, I was thinking now you must drink a bit.
I know.